What is going on, people of YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, and today I got another exciting video for you guys. So everyone's been asking me how I edit my pictures, and today I'm going to show you how I do that exactly. It's going to be my roommate Malik, and yeah, I guess roll the intro. First thing I always do in a picture before I edit, I always white balance, or I put a preset that has a white balance. I use either F1, F2, or F3. These are presets that I downloaded for free. I have other presets that I paid, but usually I use these free ones because I like the way they look too. But yeah, I usually use these presets and they're already white balanced. A preset is kind of like a filter, but if you're wanting to edit pictures, don't just put a preset on it and just leave it like that. I always tweak each image because a preset is meant to be tweaked. It's not supposed to be a filter. Alright, so the preset I'm going to use for this picture today is the F3. I think it just looks great on this picture. It really brings out the shadows. He pops out way more and it's really nice for his skin tone. So we'll set that. It's already white balance and everything. If you notice on the right here, it already tweaked it all. It tweaked the settings and everything. Now I just gotta make it my picture and my style, because obviously a preset is not your style. You have to do some work for your image. Alright, so first off, let's get rid of some pimples. So alright, so now the touch-ups are cleaned and like his face looks baby smooth. So I always work with the basic settings right here. I always mess with the exposure and the contrast and the highlights and shadows and textures and clarities so I can get my style out of this preset. Anyways, so now I'm going to show you some of the basic corrections I do. Yeah, so let's get to that. And then also something I always do is I always mess with the temperature of the picture. I like to make my pictures look a little bit warm. I want the picture to feel more of like a warm tones. So yeah, that's what I usually do. Alright, so this is what we have so far. If you want to know before and after is already, just press the I don't know what this thing is. This thing. Press this thing on the keyboard. This is the before. Already you can tell there's a major difference what we've done already. Like, this photo pops already, but it's not finished yet, so let's get to it some more. Alright, so this is the fun part. So color, you have all your colors. You have your red, orange, yellow, green, aqua, blue, purple, and magenta. And you just work with all these colors. Obviously he has a lot of yellow in it, so I can tweak the yellows. When I usually tweak colors, I usually don't mess with the orange and reds because that messes with a lot of people's skin tones. And I don't like to mess with skin tones. I like to keep people's skin tones the way it is and the way it looks in the picture. So if anything, the farthest I'll go is yellow. And I need to tweak this because he does have yellow in his shirt and I think it'll look good. Let's see what we can do with it. So I'm happy with this colors. I like to keep my pictures a little bit unsaturated. I do love color in some pictures, but most of my pictures I try to keep them unsaturated a little bit just because I really like the subtlety and it gives it a dramatic look for me. And that's just my type of style. Some people really like vibrant colors, but that's just not me. So with all this other stuff, the split toning, I usually don't mess with it. Split toning is a whole new world. But with sharpening, I do. I always make sure there's a little bit of noise reduction in the color, because I like it to look smooth. I don't want it to look pixelated at all. So I usually add like maybe 20. And then for noise reduction, I'll add 25 to 30, which 27 is good for me. So, well, I might go to 30. Let's go to 30. So, yeah. I finished this picture and I think it looks great, but this picture was fairly easy. Yeah, so it usually takes me about 10 minutes to edit a picture, and I'm happy with this picture. I think it's a finished product. Now you see my edits. I got 2 more pictures I'm gonna edit, and I'm just gonna speed run through all of those so you can really see how the finished outcome from before and after is. But that's the gist of how I edit my pictures. So yeah, let's get to it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and let me know down in the comments if you enjoyed this video and if you'd like to see more videos of this or anything else. So yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.